Hi students, welcome to Manus Gate classes for ACE. In this video, I would like to talk about a quick summary of network theory. Here, the subject is common for three branches: ECE, EEE, and instrumentation. So it can be mainly divided into three parts. One is DC circuit analysis and AC circuit analysis, and some different topics will be there. So DC circuit analysis part is quite easier compared to AC circuit analysis. Okay, if you want to solve the best set of problems from network theory, we need to concentrate more on the AC circuit analysis, because these days examiners are more focusing on AC circuit analysis. Okay, so in the coming days I would like to give a sessions on network theory. So the people who are interested to listen to my videos, so try to attend to my demo classes, and please try to share with your friends to this video, so that you can have a good idea about the subject and you can estimate whether they can be suitable for your preparation or not. Okay, so thank you and all the best for your preparation. Bye.